Christa Hughes said to me, Jimmy Willing, I want you to write me a song about two flies who meet on a turd in a portaloo in the middle of a music festival and fall in love. I said, I'm not doing it. You're going to have to find a better man than me to write a song like that. I want a second topic. This is too... I can't do this. I backed down. It's the only time in my life I've ever backed down from a dare or a commission. So she said, Jimmy Willing, then I'll make it easy for you. I want you to write me a song all about fish. It goes like this. Smell something fish and just go, what have you been kissing?
Well, I haven't doing nothing but a catfish fishing. Well, catfish fishing, you don't know what you're missing with your alright, cold time. Head to the fishing, get your hand up on the line, bring your tackle and your pole. Follow me down to my catfish hole.
I sure know something I can smell something fishy just